Hey guys, it's Itsisaactech here, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. I don't remember what color I got, but this phone came in all the way from China. So it seems like what Apple did was they had the phones come in from China. It seems like the phone cleared customs around 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. and then got to me by close to 4 o'clock. So not bad, not bad. But over here, let's get right to the unboxing. Okay, what do we have here? See, I got a bigger black knife. Yeah, let's open this up. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at this. So, if you saw on my Twitter, Itsisaactech Twitter, if you saw Itsisaactech on Twitter, you'll see that, oh wow, they really have this secured right in. Look at that. Interesting. I wonder if this is because of security, so people can't really guess what's inside. Because when you shake it, you can kind of feel. But if you saw on Itsisaactech Twitter, you would have seen that this year's boxes are going to be a bit thinner, as you can see. Obviously, because we don't have a charging block. Well, we'll see what Apple did give us. As you can see, I got the blue, the Pacific blue. And I've flown over the Pacific Ocean a few times. It's only this blue at night, but whatever. So, look at that. Okay. Okay, that. I ruined that. But here, look at this. Alright. The iPhone 12. I like this. I mean, guys, come on. There's one thing that you can't take away from Apple, and that is their packaging. Look at that. It even has like this little thing that makes you feel like you can kind of grab the phone from the box. It looks, oh, it feels so amazing. Look at that. Even the little bits, I don't know if you can see it, but like even the little bits at the side for, you know, your power button, your volume button, even those are kind of jagged. They're kind of lifted from the box. They have the Pacific Blue Apple sign as well, right here. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my God. This phone. This is beautiful. This is a phone. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. See, we had these videos on Itsisaactech Twitter. So if you go and check the Twitter, you'll see we actually kind of leaked these images. But wow, this is stunning in real life. Unfortunately, I'm not one of the influencers that Apple sent out a phone to, but I'll get there. We will get there, guys. We will get there. But look at the sides. Jeez, this is stunning. Look at the way. Wow, it is a fingerprint magnet. The sides are a fingerprint magnet. Look at that. Definitely a fingerprint magnet. But wow, it just shimmers. So you've got the 3 lenses right here, and then you got the LiDAR right there, which is meant to help with the, you know, the night mode captures and also whatnot. We've obviously got the 3 telephoto lens, the ultra wide lens, and you have your normal whatever. It's still 12 megapixels as we have. But look at this. Wow, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. I wonder why this is white. Okay, so this year, Apple said that we're not gonna get a charging brick. So guess what we get? I get myself a USB-C. I get myself a USB-C Lightning USB cable. The ironic thing is that I don't have a USB adapter for, charging brick. So what am I meant to do with this? Spend another $30 on another charging brick? It doesn't make any sense. Apple said it was part of an effort to save money on. Well, it definitely was to save money, but they said it was to save the environment. I don't think so. I think they're just trying to save money. And it's a bit ironic because the iPad Airs that are coming out this year are coming with a charging brick. So it doesn't make any sense. But whatever. So you get this. You get your standard. Okay, you get one Apple sticker. You get this that nobody reads. I mean, they spent more on the packaging for the SIM open kit. Look at the SIM kit. Look at this. It's all like beautifully packed. When they could have literally used that space for a charging brick. But whatever. And that's about it. Wow, we got budget Apple this year, even for the Pro versions, which is kind of crazy. So if you're trying to get the power brick with your phone, you're probably better off getting the 11 Pro Max or the 11 Pro or the 11, or just buying yourself an iPad. This only comes with the one lightning cable. I mean, this is just beautiful. Oh my God. I don't want to open it because I don't want to ruin it. But this looks just, oh, this looks beautiful. The back is beautiful. It's a matte type of texture. Definitely not a fingerprint magnet. Okay. But the sides, oh. Imagine you just finished eating and then your hands are a bit greasy and, you know, whatever. These, you definitely need to get yourself a case on this. I've been trying to search everywhere for Apple's leather cases and I can't find it anywhere. So we're gonna have to wait for those, but this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, beautiful. Beautiful. Anyways, guys, it's Itsisaactech. We will be doing a review on the iPhone 12 Pro sometime next week. Make sure to have a nice day and SARS and police brutality. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.